2025 Genesis unveils X Gran Coupe. A bold fusion of luxury and performance, Genesis has once again redefined automotive elegance with the world premiere of the 2025 X Gran Coupe at the Seoul Mobility Show. This stunning four-door coupe combines sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance, solidifying Genesis' position as a leader in luxury mobility. Striking design and premium craftsmanship, the X Gran Coupe features Genesis's signature Athletic Elegance design. Language, with a low-slung roofline, muscular haunches, and a bold Crest Grille. The interior is a masterpiece of handcrafted luxury, featuring sustainable materials, advanced ambient lighting, and a driver-centric cockpit with a panoramic, curved display. Next-gen performance and electrification. Under the hood, the X Gran Coupe offers multiple powertrains, including a twin-turbo V6 and a high-performance electric variant with 800V ultra-fast charging. Advanced AI-driven suspension and rear-wheel steering ensure a dynamic yet refined driving experience. Smart and connected driving, equipped with Genesis's latest AI-powered infotainment and Level 3 autonomous driving, the X Gran Coupe delivers seamless connectivity and safety. Features like biometric access and augmented reality HUD elevate the futuristic driving experience. Arrival and expectations. Set to hit global markets in late 2025, the Genesis X Gran Coupe will compete with rivals like the Mercedes-AMG GT 4-door and Porsche Taycan. With its blend of style, innovation, and performance, it's poised to become a new benchmark in luxury grand touring. Stay tuned for more updates on Genesis' most ambitious coupe yet.